Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about email marketing and how you can make over $500 a day from email follow-ups, from setting up 5 email follow-ups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain strategy, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to say in each and every single email to actually convert someone from a simple subscriber to a buyer. So obviously this is not going to convert every single subscriber to a buyer, but this is going to help you to improve your conversions. If you have an email list already, if you have an existing follow-up series, or if you don't have any, this is going to help you to set up correctly. So this is the one of the like basic strategies that I use in every video and in every a funnel that I build. And also what I do is I usually build up on this, but this is the basic strategy and it's extremely powerful by itself. So what I'm going to do, again, I'm just going to explain it to you, and then I'm going to talk a little bit more about it. So if you're not a subscriber, by the way, before I start, if you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every single day, and hit that bell icon to get notifications when a new video comes out, and like this video and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. All right, so let's get started. Let's talk about the funnel itself. So we're gonna start the funnel by obviously a landing page. You offer something to someone. That's going to be your incentive. Maybe it's a video, maybe it's a ebook, whatever you offer as that incentive. So this is going to be your offer. Okay, so it's going to be free, obviously. So that's going to be a free offer. So what you're going to do is you're going to have 5 emails, and let's talk about each and every single one. So email number 1 is, so let's put email number 1. So this is going to be your free download, right? So free download. Now, the reason I usually put the incentive, whatever you're offering, in the first email is that you want to make sure that you open your email. This is really critical because some people, and it depends on the funnel usually, but most of the times I try to get people to confirm their email before they download whatever I'm offering to them, because this way, first of all, they get to open the first email. This is really good for you because if they open the first email to download whatever you're offering, the open rate on your next emails are going to go up, and also at the same time your emails are not going to go to spam or the promotion box because they open an email from you initially. So this is really important. Try to always get people to double confirm. Okay, first of all, confirm their email and get their incentive in the first email. That's really important. Okay, so that's where I just give them the incentive, and then what you do is you send email number 2. Okay, so let's put email number 2. And by the way, guys, I'm going to talk about all of these inside Gold Masterclass. We're actually in there. I'm going to give you all the templates and just set all of these up in front of you live, so you see exactly how it's done in action. So you're going to get all the templates, have to write the content and everything. So you're going to get all of that inside Gold Masterclass. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Check it out. All right. So email number 2 is pure value. Okay, so this is really important. This is the important part that you have to understand. This is a mistake that a lot of people make. So first of all, let's actually put this value email. So the goal of this email to provide value and just not anything else. Okay, so now this is the important part. What you want to do is in this email, you don't want to actually have people to click anywhere. This is something that people used to do back then a lot, and kind of, I don't know why, but people stopped doing it, and this is incredibly powerful. So what you do is, instead of just having someone to click on a video or click on a link to click on a link to open an article or open a video, what you do is you provide everything you want to talk about, every value, anything you want to talk about inside that email. So it's going to be either your email is going to be a long article or maybe a short article. Try to keep it short. You don't want to have a super long email, obviously, but you do everything inside that email. There are no links. You just provide value. Maybe a nice, well-written article, 400 words with pictures and everything inside that email. It's extremely powerful. Okay, you don't want to have them to click anywhere. This is something I'll always do, and it works all the time. Okay, so that's really powerful. You want to make sure you do that. You don't want to send them to a link or an article or video. Keep them there and say everything you want to say inside that email. Provide value. Okay, Number 3, same thing. Now number 3, email number 3 is a little bit different. So make sure you see it. Email number 3. So this one is almost same as this, but a little bit different. So what you do is, first of all, you're gonna provide value, okay? So that's that. But you're gonna do another thing. It's an extra step. And this is actually talking about the product that you are going to sell them, okay? So let's say you're selling a weight loss product. So you provide the free content, something, let's say it was an ebook about, you know, it was an ebook about some diet program or something like that, right? So it was a short ebook about some diet program, and then on email number 2 you provide something that was really interesting to them. They read it, they learned something about it. On email number 3 you do the same thing, but at the end of it, and obviously you got to keep the content short so they actually read your entire email. At the end of it you say, hey, PS, I found this really cool product that is helping me, or helping a lot of people. If you don't have an experience, obviously you want to say it's helping other people, right? So you want to say, hey, this product is helping a lot of people. I'm going to talk more about it in future emails. So you don't want to say anything else, but you want to make sure they read that PS, okay? So you want to say, hey, I found this product, it's really interesting, it's this and that, I'm going to talk about it more in future. So you just want to kind of drop a hint. This is the important part. You want to drop a hint about your product, the product that you want to sell. All right. So this is how you you start the transition from free to paid. And this is how you do it in every single email, especially if you have a free email funnel. This is the best way to do it. You provide some value and then you start a really slow transition from free to paid. Okay. So that's email 3. Email number 4 is going to be your first actual direct pitch. Okay, so this is going to be email number 4, and this is going to be pitch. So basically what you do is you just start selling the product. Say, hey, remember that product I was talking about? Now this is the timeline on this is really important too. So what I usually do is that I usually wait 3 days. 2 to 3 days. It depends on the product, and the reason I'm saying 2 to 3 days is because it depends on the product. Okay, so 2 to 3 days, that's the time you usually wait, and then you send the 4th email, which is the pitch email. Okay, so this is where you start talking about the product, how it's helping other people to do this and that. If you can actually provide proof that it's working for people who are using it, and then you start saying, hey, click this link to go to the product, and you send them to the product page. Okay, so this is how you do it, and you do the same thing on email number 5, but a little bit different. Let me see actually if I can put it right here. There you go. So email number 5 is the same thing. It's pitch. Okay. Yeah. So email number 5 is pitch, but you do one more thing, is that you actually provide a bonus. Now this is really important. This is something I've mentioned a lot. Providing a bonus is going to help you to stand out and actually get more sales at the same time. Okay, so it's not that hard to provide a bonus. Actually, that's something we talk about a lot inside CV Masters Academy and Gold Masterclass. Click the link in the description to check it out. But I talk about creating bonus, especially if you don't want to spend hours to actually create your write an article, write an ebook, make videos and stuff like that. There are easy ways to actually create your bonus content. So yeah, providing a bonus is really important. So you did the same thing you did in email number 4, but you provide the bonus. So this is like the final notice basically to asking, and you're asking him, hey, this is the last time that I'm sending you this email. You should definitely check this out, and also I'm giving you this bonus. You should definitely check it out. All right, so this is how you do it. And this is how you send 5 emails to make $500 a day. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn all of these things in detail, I'm going to leave a link in the description. That's going to take you to the Gold Masterclass. In there, I'm going to give you like a whole funnel. I'm going to give you the template and everything you need to build this whole funnel step by step. And also, you're going to actually see me building it. So it's not just me talking about it. You're actually going to see it in action. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Like this video, share it with your friends, and also leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.